This is how to attach forms from a Patient Xpress dashboard. First, click on the patient's appointment. A patient's profile will appear. Select the consent forms. To do this, click on the third button from the right, Attach Consent Forms. Then select the consent forms you need. You can choose one or more forms. Next, select Attach as the action, and then click Submit. You'll receive a pop-up confirming that the forms have been attached successfully. Now, click OK and reopen the patient's profile by clicking on their name. Click the Send Text button and select the Send Consent Link template. This will provide a link to the patient to complete the forms. Click Submit and the link will be sent to the patient via text message. You'll receive a notification of the successful message delivery. The patient will receive a message containing the consent link. They need to click on the link and authenticate by submitting their date of birth or using an alternative method. After authentication, the forms page will open and the patient can fill out and submit the forms. A pop-up will appear when the patient completes the form. After submitting, you can check if you've received the form by going to Open Intel and checking the imaging module. Click on the form to ensure you've received all the data from the patient. The form will be in PDF format. This is the date the form was submitted. Thank you for watching.